Alrighty, so looks like we're fixing to start buttoning stuff up. We're going to start getting the interior put back together. I'm gonna take this off because this shift boot will not fit over it. Make sure we plug in a wire here. Okay, that just snaps in. This, just push this down, goes like that. I've got to pull this back forward. Make sure there's a pin here, a little pin here. Don't know if y'all can see that. That goes in here. Put that in. Little screw, don't lose it. I gotta go get a screwdriver. Two 10mm bolts that go on the back, and I don't have. All right. Go get the boot for that. Pull up. It just pushes down. Alrighty, that's that.